Today I'm making my stuffed zucchini. First, I'm going to finely chop 1/2 onion and 1/2 green pepper. Now I'm going to prepare my zucchini. Trim the edges off each zucchini. Cut them in half. And cut around the seeds. Makes it easier to scrape them out. Now with a spoon, scrape out the seeds, careful not to take too much of the zucchini. Now in a preheated pan, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onions and cook them for about 7 minutes. This is all over a medium heat. Now I'm going to add the green peppers and cook for another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic using my garlic press. Stir that and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 14 ounces of ground chicken, and I'm going to break it up and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now that that's done, I'm going to add the tomato puree. Now I'm going to add the thyme and the salt, Italian seasoning, and the pepper. And cook that on low for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to spray the outsides of the zucchini with olive oil and just fill them with the mixture. Now we're going to top that with some fresh chopped parsley. And then cover with shredded cheese. I use an Italian 5-cheese blend. You can use whatever you choose. Mozzarella, provolone is fine. Then bake it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes.